Since we're going to learn how to express I want to drink something, so in this lesson, we're going to learn how to say drink, the verb, in Chinese. 喝. Please repeat after me. 喝. 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 Easy, right? Let's do a simple review of what we have learned so far. Water is 水. 水. Drink is 喝. 喝. Well done! 好样的 See you tomorrow. 明天见 I've spent lots of time, energy, and effort into making this video for you to learn Chinese. Please give me a thumb up or share to show me your support. Thank you. If you need more of my videos, please search 11 Dreams Go-Getter Sabrina or search Learn Chinese with Sabrina. No boring grammar. Or visit my website at www.11dreamsgogetter.com. Have a wonderful day.